Hello viewers, today I am going to show my YouTube channel Solution Jonas.
How to fix Twitter account failed to load content. Please try again problem. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. First open, tap and hold X Twitter X account. Click on app information. Click on clear storage and clear cache. Click on permission, all permission allow. Open Play Store and search Twitter X. Twitter update checked. Now reset your phone. And logging Twitter X account. So finally, failed to problem solved. Thank you.